going for it, aren't they? He's going to show him how to go on.
He's not going to make it. Him on green, he's going to fall off.
No, he won't do. He won't do. He'll make it. He's a good rider.
Can't even make it.
Oh, he's a good rider. He's all right.
No, he ain't. I think he's going to fall off, Frank. How much you bet, Frank?
I bet he won't fall off.
How much?
No, that's what he's
Drink a Coke.
What?
A drink of Coke. They're psyching it out. He's going for it.
Snaking it out.
Oh, yeah. That would have beauty with that.
Oh, yeah.
He's thinking about it now, isn't he? Lost it.
Frankie owes me a drink of Coke.
Oh no.
Frankie, you owe me a can of Coke.
Yep. Oh well, he went for it though. He had a bottle to go for it, didn't he? He's got it. He'll get it. He'll save it. But will he have a bottle to go for it again, I wonder? His other mate's going to show it. Look. Now he's had a go and he hasn't fallen off, at least he knows that he can't hurt himself, you know.
Oh, Frank, you
No, I mean, he's fallen off and hasn't hurt himself though.
Well, he fell off, so you owe me a can of Coke.
He can do it easy, that guy, can't he?
No, he's just got the skill and potential he needs.
Where's that other lad gone?
He's there, turning around to get a bigger knot. He has me as well, he's going for it again.
Oh shit! Oh man!
You owe me 2 cans of pop now.
Oh shit! Did it flip then?
Yeah.
I couldn't see through viewfinder.
Yeah,
oh wow!
Shit to me welly.
At least he's had a go. That's the main thing. I'd like to go down that in my Range Rover.
You can't get up that.
If that little lad wants to go.
Yeah, like that little lad made it. If you just flipped on him, see it shed, he comes off on his little fucking shed. Where is it? Oh, what a shot. I think he's going to fall off. Yeah, he knows how to handle it, doesn't he?
He's got it, we're swearing. He's got it. Look at that. He's going for it.
Snaking it out.
Oh!
Well, he fell off, so you want me to
He can do it easy. Oh! Shit! Oh.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.